Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Dia Arisa binti Muhammad Rafidi from SKLKTP Bukit Go, school code CBA 4021. Today, I would like to present an exciting and legendary story entitled The Adventure of Robin Hood, retold from the original story written by Howard Pyle. Have you ever imagined living in a forest, shooting arrows with amazing skill, helping poor people, and fighting against injustice? If yes, then welcome to the exciting world of Robin Hood. The story begins in England many years ago. There lived a brave and intelligent young man named Robin Hood. Robin Hood was famous for being an excellent archer. His arrows could hit the target perfectly. One day, Robin faced problems with the cruel rulers and dishonest officers in the kingdom. Because of injustice, Robin escaped into the famous Sherwood Forest. There, he gathered a group of loyal friends called the Merry Men. Among them were Little John, Friar Tuck, and Will Scarlet. Together, they lived in the forest and protect poor people from greedy noblemen. Robin Hood became famous because he robbed rich and dishonest people and helped the poor. Even though he was called an outlaw, many villagers loved him because he fought for justice and kindness. The story becomes more exciting when Robin joined archery competition. This tricks greedy people and escape dangerous enemies. There are funny moments, thrilling adventures, and touching scenes throughout the story. Robin Hood also met Marian, a kind and beautiful lady who admires his bravery and good heart. At the end of the story, Robin Hood becomes a symbol of courage, justice, and kindness. He proved that true heroes do not only fight with weapons, they also fight with honesty and compassion. There are many reasons why I really enjoy reading this book. First, the story is full of adventure and action. Every chapter made me feel excited and curious. When Robin Hood shot his arrows, I could almost hear whoosh straight to the target. Second, the characters are very interesting and memorable. Robin Hood is brave, clever, and kind-hearted. Third, this book teaches readers about justice and helping others. Robin Hood always protects poor people and fights against cruelty. As the proverb says, a friend in need is a friend indeed. True friends help each other during difficult times. Besides that, the language in this retold version is simple and suitable for young readers. The story is easier to understand but still exciting and meaningful. This book contains many important moral values for students. The first value is kindness. Robin Hood helped poor and weak people without expecting reward. This teaches us to care for others and share what we have. The second value is courage. Robin Hood is brave when standing against injustice. He never allows cruel people to hurt innocent villagers. This teaches us to speak the truth and defend what is right. The third value is loyalty and friendship. Robin Hood friends always support him. They trust each other and work together as a team. As the proverb says, united we stand, divided we fall. Teamwork makes people stronger. Lastly, this story teaches us about fairness and honesty. Greedy people in the story become unhappy because they only care about money and power. Robin Hood shows that true happiness comes from helping others. As people always say, what goes around comes around. Good action brings good results. In conclusion, the adventure of Robin Hood is an exciting, meaningful, and unforgettable story. Robin Hood reminds us that a true hero is not someone who is powerful, but someone who uses their strength to help others. I truly enjoy reading this book because it made me feel excited, happy, and inspired. Before I end my presentation, I would like to share a beautiful quote. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. So, my dear friend, let us become brave like Robin Hood, kind like Robin Hood, and helpful like Robin Hood. Because even small kindness can change the world. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone.